Turning boredom into something breakthrough. Yan ang kwento ng isko na si Timothy Joseph Formigos ng UP Diliman matapos gawin ang tinaguriang pinaka-detalyadong mapa ng Pilipinas. Silipin natin yan sa agenda report ni Kian Querol.
Nakakita na ba kayo ng pinaka-detalyadong mapa ng Pilipinas? Pagbibida ng isang second-year student ng UP Diliman, nagawa niya yarn. Economics major si Timothy Joseph Cruz Hormigos. Noong pandemic, pampalipas oras niya lang ito. Pero kalaunan ay naging proyekto na.
I always liked geography and I always saw these, I guess, elections were such a hot topic, especially in 2022 when we elected a president and vice president. So I think that really sparked that interest that how about let's do the things that other countries do and mailapat at dalhin dito sa Pilipinas.
Bakit nga ba mapa? Sabi ni Tim, ito kasi ang pinakamabisang paraan para maging bida-bida ang mga data.
Maraming paraan to represent data. There's not just one. But I think maps make it like it's straight to your face. Parang dito sa mukha mo na, ay, yan pala yun. That's what it is.
Nakilala si Tim online dahil sa mapang detalyado ng 2022 presidential election.
I wanted to start shining light on the demographics of the Philippines. I think because I started out with analyzing elections, that's really where I started coming from, and that's where I started pushing the boundaries of, how detailed can we go in reporting election results. But at a certain point, I really think that results without context are meaningless.
Sa kanyang newfound hobby turned possible career, ang Demographic Dive series ay magkakaroon ng iba't ibang sektor na itatalakay. Una ang religion. Ipinakikita ng mapa ang data ng religious affiliation sa antas ng barangay based sa 2020 Census of Population and Housing na isinagawa ng Philippine Statistics Authority. Kapag klinik mo ang isang barangay, lalabas ang summary table of all religious affiliation. May tatlong uri ng mapang maaaring gawin. Pinakamalaking relihiyon, pinakamalaking porsyento ng relihiyon, at percentage ng individual religion.
Religious affiliation is a very important aspect of Filipino society. It hits the minds, it hits the hearts, it hits the soul of the Filipino people in whatever form it may take. It's a start of understanding more about going to the roots of the Philippine demography, which for me is not just an electoral analyst.
Bumida rin si Tim ngayong taon dahil sa pagsulong ng isang detalyadong mapa ng Pilipinas na nagamit ng mga politiko. At ngayong 8 p.m., formal na ipapublish ni Tim ang kauna-unahang mapa ng Demographic Dive series sa social media. Para sa agenda, Kian Querol, Bilyonaryo News Channel.